Hello my fellow idiots and welcome back to another episode of An Idiot's Guide. Now, I just realised I'm not centering the fucking room. Right, we're going to be doing lockdown, mute and warning this episode. We're going to start off with warning. Because mute and lockdown, mute is applying and removing roles. So I've already got some, I think I still have example code of that in the bot, but we'll see. Lockdown, that's just changing general permissions of the channel. The lockdown I've got, I'll be using from York Dev from my server. The code is actually a bit lengthy, but I'm going to copy and paste it and I'm going to explain what each bit does. So it's not just a copy paste done. So you get something for it. But before we do all of that, we need to make the mod log channel, because we want to log all moderation actions. So mod log, and I need to put my keyboard closer. I apologise for the loudness of my keyboard. As I said in the previous video, fuck you, I want to use it. Alright, we have our mod log folder. We want to event loader, brain fart. Okay, commands, new file. We are going to do warn first. We're going to open up help, copy that, paste that into there, and remove everything in here. And change the names of things. Warn. Issues here. Issues a warning to the mentioned user. Warn. Mention. Right. That's basically all it does. Basically, it gives you a warning, but before parameters. No, it's arguments, you dick. Come on, y'all. Put it together. Right. Come on, save. Save. Right, okay. Here we go, right. We want to get the message mentioned, or the people mentioned in the message. Okay, so we want message is mentioned. That is No, what is it? Mentions, that's the one. Mentions users, a collection, so we can use the first parameter. Yeah. But we need to tell it basically if message.mentions.users, is it users or users, is less than 1, return message.reply, you must mention someone to warn. And catch the error. Okay. We also want to have arguments, because I will say I cannot remember if you mentioning someone will be classed as an argument. I think it will be. So it'll be prefix 1. That'll be one part of the argument. Then it'll be the mentioned user, which will be. I'll just console log. Just do a quick console log. Console.log args. I saved that. Wrong bot. Okay, let's delete that. Delete that. And delete that because apparently I fucking forgot my bot's prefix. I'm going to move this over here so you guys can't see anything. Settings. Oh, it's the little squiggly. I forgot it was the squiggly. Oh. it would actually help if the bot was running. Now you can see why I'm an idiot. I will get there eventually. Right, that should launch the bot. The bot should come online. Now it should respond. Right, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to take a quick phone call. But apparently my bot crashed. Type of value equals undefined, throwing an error. Apparently there's a problem with our map. Message mentions users less than 1. Okay, let's try and reboot the bot. Let's try and reboot. Okay, I'm online. Need to boot the microphone. Squiggly. Help. Right, okay, something in this is causing this to crash. Okay, let's just quickly comment that out, just to be safe. Okay, I can't comment that out. Okay, let's undo that and just comment that one. Okay, help, ping, purge, reload, 1. Let's try again. Help. Something is crashing. It's got to be in. This was working last time I saw it. Okay, I need to look in app 5238. Wait, can't really look at this. That's the 52 model name. Oh, wait, is that... I think I know what that is. 5238. Put it there. Aha! Okay, I need to check my config file. Aha, that'll be the problem. Do. This is... In the last episode I changed a couple of things. Actually, between last episode and this episode I changed a few things because I realised I was passing an ID to a name. I facepalmed when I figured that out, so I fixed it. But what I forgot to do, because I think I did it in the settings did it in the settings example, but not in the actual settings config. The actual admin and moderator roles. So I need to quickly make. Let's get rid of you. Delete. So I've got a moderator, which is a horrible green colour. Admin, which has a no colour. So moderator role. Moderator. Admin. Save. Right, now, in theory, it should not crash. Hey! Perfecto! At least now you know how to debug. Yeah. Okay. Warn. Let's see if warn will actually fire. Oh wait, no, I commented that out, didn't I? Like Egypt. Uncomment, save. Okay, Warn. You should be mentioning that I cannot warn people. Size. Regardless what ladies say, size matters. Or at least in this context. Type in size now. Help. The wrong command. 1. Hey, you must mention someone to 1. So if I do 1 docs. Okay, strips the prefix. The mention is the first argument. So, let's see. Let us do shit that I'm brain farting on. Let reason equals args dot join dot splice. I think it's splice. 0 1 console.log reason. Now, if I'm right, that's probably backwards. I think I need to splice it. No. Get ahead of myself. Crash! Splice is not a function! Alright, this episode is going to be fucking long. Ah! Okay. Argument splice. JavaScript string splice. Oh, it's actually slice, not splice. Oh, it's splice for arrays. Ah, wait, no, that's characters. I don't want to. It is array splice, so I need to splice, then join. Say Google search to the rescue. Okay. Then join. Okay. Let's try this. 1. Docs. You are a silly bot. No crash. Okay. I know what I want. I've done this before. How the fuck? Go away, Terror Attack. Right. Hold on 1 second, guys. Right, I'm back. Brain got a bit frazzled. I was using Slice for something else in a different bot. But I was actually after Slice. Like an idiot. But yeah, I did a quick test. Basically, let reason arguments dot slice 1 dot join by the space, and it completely removes docs. So let's just do 1 docs. You are a silly bot. Oh yes, you are. You are a very silly bot. There you go. Okay, that is part of what we need. So we've got the reason, and we've got the mention. Well, we're going to grab the mention in a second. Okay. Let user message dot mentions dot users dot first. So we want to grab the first mention, and we also want to find by name a channel. Client up here. Let mod log equals client.channels.find by name, comma, mod log. Now it is case sensitive. Case sensitive. If, just to cover our backs, if no mod log, return message.reply I cannot find mod log. A mod log channel. Mod log. Mod log. There we go. Right, so now if I issue a warning, warn docs test. Okay, that's perfectly fine, no problems. Let's delete. Actually, no, let's rename mod log. Let's rename it. Okay. Warn docs test. Cannot find a mod log channel. Perfect. We will be doing something in a later episode where I will probably be using a database to keep track of certain things. Basically, have it set up per guild. So, like when the bot joins a new guild, it'll create a database table or a database row saying, this is this server's mod channel ID is this, etc, etc. Okay. That works. Now it's on to the actual warnings. I'm brain fine, I'm mad today. Okay. The mod log channel's there. Oh yeah, I need to do if no reason. Actually, if reason.length is less than 1, return message.reply you must supply a reason for the warning. Idiot. Okay, so warn docs. There you go. Okay. That's all the sanity check. All the sanity checks done. Now it's on. Now it's on to the actual warning system. Now, I should have brought this up. We need the actual Git book that every.codes is transferred to me. Because I fucking brain fired again. Let's look at. I was looking at this. Oh, I need the Git book for blank. Shit. What was it? Embeds. Gonna do those sexy embeds. Now, we could go one or two ways. We could go the original object method, which is right there in front of us. Or we could do, that's the same thing, but that is actually wrong. I actually need to fix that. That looks wrong. I could be wrong. Or we could use the rich embed builder. Which one do you think we should do? Because that's what that produces. Let's use the builder. Copy. Right, those is blocked. Copy. Paste. Let's get rid of all of this gubbins. You don't need all this bullshit. Don't need all the bullshit. Right, it's complaining because Discord cannot be found. Const Discord equals require discord.js. Okay, embeds not used, blah blah. Okay, let us. change these accordingly. I'm going to leave the colour alone. Moderator, that'll be message.author.avatar URL. Leave the colour alone. Set description, footer, image. Don't need an image, I don't need a thumbnail. Hybrid, I don't know. Let's just get rid of the footer. Let's get rid of the URL. Field. Okay. Got the description. Oh, could use the field. Let's use the fields. Add field. Let's just delete that. Delete you. Don't know why you're down there. We could just delete that. Right, okay. Field 1. We've got title and value. So, field action, which is a warning. Actually, let's just get rid of that first for a second. Okay, action, warning, user, mention, and moderate. Okay. User, colon, moderator, colon, action, warning, user, that should be user.username. I think it, what does it return? It returns a user object. What's in the user object? Discriminator, add username. Okay. So we want to use those, so we're going to temporal literal these. Username, hashtag, or pound sign, depends where you are in the world and when you was born. User.discriminator. Moderator. Sorry about the video just randomly crapped out. Okay, add field, message dot author dot user dot username. We're gonna temporal literal these again, because why the fuck not? Just gonna copy that. Hashtag dot discriminator. Right. And then we just need, and I forgot to copy it across, where the fuck is it? That. Probably don't need the return, but I'm going to add it anyway. Return, no, not retro. Return. And I need to message dot. No, I want to send it to the modlog channel. Client.channels.get modlog.id.sendember. Right. In theory, issue a warning, it'll get sent to the modlog channel. So, let's go to general. There's nothing in here. Warn. Docs, you are a very silly boy. Crashed. Oops. I completely forgot message.author is an actual user object. I don't need to go user, etc. Okay, let's try that again. Hey! It's nothing pretty, but it gets the job done. I'm just here to show you how it's done. You guys, it's up to you guys to actually implement it. Right. That's warning. Let us move on. Basic implementation of a warning system. Now let us new file. Let's do lockdown. Get that out. Yeah. No. Right, where is lockdown? There it is. Raw file. Give me the raw file. I just realized I need to install something if I haven't already. No, I haven't. Cancel. Yes. Pm install. Save as. Right. MS is a npm package. It will convert milliseconds into human readable time and human readable time into milliseconds. Basically, this is set up for per guild. Per guild, per channel, same thing. If client.lockit, client basically clears it or creates it. Time, that's how it does. You even can unlock and release it if you want to unlock it before the time is up. As installed. If valid unlocks include time. Now, this is where the magic happens. Message.channel.overwrite permissions in the guild. Send messages null. Basically, the permissions have three states in channel override. You've got null, which basically then goes from the everyone row and roles. You've got denied, and you've got given, allowed. Null basically reverts it to, okay, you can do whatever your role says you can do. Then it's like, it'll send a message, it'll clear a timeout from the, I think it's an object or an array object or some bullshit. Then it'll delete it from there. Okay. Basically, if it's locked, it'll unlock. Send message is false. That'll lock down the channel, and here we go. Basically, what that says is millisecond time long equals true. Basically, it'll take milliseconds and turn it into human readable time. This is where stuff gets added to the client.lockit. Set timeout. So after a specified time, which is ms time, it will automatically unlock the channel, unless you already unlock it. But yeah, you got an alias, and only moderators are above, depending on which is level 3. Oh no, admins and above. I'll change that to 2. And it gives you a description. Let's run that. Now, unfortunately, with me being owner, I override all permissions anyway. I'm basically God on the server. But if I do lockdown, oh yeah, I have to set duration. Lockdown 10 seconds. If you was a user that didn't have a role where you was override to speak, such as the staff on my guild, that would disable you from setting it. As you can see, it automatically lifted. So if I was to do lockdown 5 minutes, channel lockdown for 5 minutes, but I can release it by doing unlock or release. Right, just need a really thirsty as hell. Right, that is lockdown done. Now it is mute. Now I just need to actually refresh my memory, so I'll be back in a minute. So hold on tight, it'll be instantaneous for you, so you're back. Right, I'm back. I've refreshed myself how it is. Let's just close these. Right, I'll open the warning, copy that, create a new file called mute.js and paste it, save it. I was probably going to complain that there's two commands. Okay, maybe not. Let's change this to mute. Mute a user. Mute a mention user. Mute. Well, it'll be unmute. Mute or unmute a mentioned user. Right, okay. Reason user, monologue, they all stay, they stay. It's just okay. Must supply room for the mute. Must mention someone to mute them. Right, I need to add one more thing. But before I do that, I have to create it. Actually, no, I won't create it just yet. Okay. Is it guild or guild? Message. Guild. No, it'll be client.guild. client.guild.get message dot guild dot id dot roles. I think it's roles. Go to the guild object, roles, yeah. Dot find by name, muted. Okay, and oh, I forgot to catch that on the other thing. Sanity checks, people. Sanity checks. Right. Okay. No mod role, so let's just copy mute role. I cannot find a mute. As in, I'm just doing this in the tutorial for a single guild, but I'll probably update in a future episode, like way in the future, of how to get it to a per guild server. Action mute. Actually, no. Foobar. Okay, let's just do this for now, just for testing. User. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Here we go. Here's the meat and potatoes. That creates the embed, but I need to actually if message.guild.member client.user the bot dot has permission. I'm just refreshing. Manage roles or permissions. Basically, if you don't have it, return message dot reply. I do not have the correct permissions. Biatch. Dot console dot catch idiot. Console dot error. Okay. Okay, right. Now I've got that, I need to do this. Message.guild.member. What's it called? User. Add role. Mute role. Is it ID? Actually, no. I'll just leave it that. Dot. Then. Okay, save. What is that? Okay. Mute docs. Let's go through the sanities. Okay, mute. Oh, did you just crash? Maybe so. I cannot find a mute role. Alright. Server settings. Roles. New. Now, it's case sensitive. Muted. Lowercase. Okay. Mutes. I have to supply a reason for the mutes. Eat a dick. Mute docs eat a dick. And realistically, if we look at docs now, muted. Now, I'm trying to remember what is the has role? Guild member. No, that's guild channel. Yeah. Highest role. No. Role. I think is it roles.has. Cast a read only collection. Does a collection have the has? I think it might be exists actually. Okay, let's try it. If message.guild.member user dot summers up with my cameraman. Seriously. Okay. Roles dot exists. What does exist take? Collection exists. Aha! Collection dot has. I knew it was a thing. Okay. Right. Beautify all that. Now here we go. Right. No. If they have the role you want to remove, so is it remove role? Guild member, remove role. Okay. Save. Now, letters. Hey, no roll. So let's do it again. you're not working. If you have the role mute ID, remove it. Otherwise, add it. Oh wait, no, I got backwards. Shit. Remove role. Add role. Attention to detail, people. Attention to detail. Okay. In a deck, you should be muted. Muted. In a deck. There we go. Right. It's, as I say, it's a bit ugly. It's a bit ham-fisted, but it works. It's not perfect. It's far from being perfect, but it works, and we got there in the end. So yeah, we got mute, warn, and lockdown. Now, lockdown doesn't have a moderator modlog thing. I don't think it needs to. I might add it in the future, but for now, yeah, it'll work. It'll do. But anyway, guys, that's all I have time for this episode. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you fancy supporting me so that you get more of these videos out there and exclusive content, support me on Patreon. There is a link in the description. There'll probably be an annotation on the screen if YouTube allows me to link to Patreon. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and maybe even a Patreon only video. Bye guys!